Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the acorn stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and the cluster stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 2. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. You're going to skip the first stitch. Into the next one, you're going to make a 3 double crochet cluster stitch. So you're going to be making the bottom of 3 double crochets into this stitch. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop, yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. That is the bottom of a double crochet and we need 3 of them in this stitch. So I'm going to make the second one and the third one all into that stitch together. Once you have all 3 of those made, you're going to yarn over and take that through all of the loops on your hook to make that 3 double crochet cluster stitch. Now you're going to make 3 chains and then make a 3 double crochet cluster stitch into the next stitch. So same thing, make the bottom of a double crochet. That's 1, second one, and third one. Once you have all 3 made, yarn over, take that through all of those loops to make that 3 double crochet cluster. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches and into this next one, you're going to start repeating from this cluster over here. You're going to make that 3 double crochet cluster. Then make 3 chains. Make that 3 double crochet cluster in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, 3 double crochet cluster. Make 3 chains. And then make that 3 double crochet cluster in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches, make that 3 double crochet cluster in the next stitch. Make 3 chains. Make that 3 double crochet cluster in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches into this next stitch, make that 3 double crochet cluster. Make 3 chains, make that 3 double crochet cluster in the next stitch. Once you get to the end of your row, you can skip this next stitch and into the last stitch of this row, make 1 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. We're going to immediately get into this sequence. You're going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch until you reach a chain space. Then into these chain spaces, you're going to make 2 single crochet. Then you're going to start repeating into each stitch, make a single crochet, into each chain space, 2 single crochets. Then when you get to the end of your row, you're going to have some chains left. These chains counted as a double crochet. So into the top of these chains, make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the acorn stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.